heading into the city, but problem is the road's closed. There's been a ton of landslides lately, so the road actually fell off the side of the mountain and it's been closed for weeks. So we have to go the long way around. Sucks. Bruce Willis. It's always a blessing when you make it to Cusco alive. I always get a taxi around the city because I'll take my chances driving into the city, but I ain't driving to the centre. It's just too sketchy.
Sí, está bien.
Reniak. It's gonna be a long wait. Oh god. This way.
¿Al lado lo has visto? No sé, debe estar por ahí. Took me out of the line to the best line. Everybody was pissed with me.
Yeah.
Where's your baby? It's preferential.
Oh, so we got the ID. And we learned a valuable lesson. Don't ever do any government stuff on a Saturday. So this is the market here, the plant market, and I think they sell CDs here, and we need to get a fucking CD, like we're from the 90s. No CDs. So much stuff, but literally nothing that I would want to buy.
Smile, it's a shopping day.
Shopping, yay.
Oh, how ugly is this?
Very ugly. Alright, get some wood for this canvas. That size is good. Smile, you are here to be happy. Don't tell me how to feel. Economax, where everything is grande. Ayimni Jamuskaiki. Look at the size of this thing.
Oh yeah. Jumbo shopping.
Oh yeah, and they're drift trolleys.
Don't do this again, please.
Do what? Oh, the 360?
Yeah.
You don't want to, I've got to get the 360 on camera. I'm just going to do it straight off the bat. Here we go, 360.
This is not children's play, you know?
Yes, it is. Oh! This is for the studio. Yeah. Beer. Econo beer. This place is great. Everything's just massive. Oh no. There's no Stella. That's not actually that cheap. They got no beer? We got a bad trolley. Oh, you have to go like this. You have to go straight into the wheel. It's not even touching the floor.
No.
Mega big cola.